Hello again, last time I guess for this year's XDC 2020. Before I start, I'd like to thank all the speakers and also folks who raised the bar and brought some lightning talks at the end. You guys rock. And thank you to all the speakers, because without you there would be no conference, right? We wouldn't have to organize it if there were no people really wanting to share their experience and knowledge. So thanks for that. Big thanks goes to the organizers, to Intel, all together with X.Org Foundation. Thanks also to X.Org for having us and allowing us to organize this event this year. Thanks to our platinum sponsor, Intel. Thanks to gold sponsor, Google. Thank you, Google. Thanks for another gold sponsor, NVIDIA. Thank you to our silver level sponsors, Collabora, Igalia, the Linux Foundation. Thank you to Microsoft, AMD, and ARM. Thank you for sponsoring XDC 2020. Thanks a lot to all our bronze level sponsors. Thank you to Kronos Group, to Dorota Czaplejewicz and GitLab. Thanks to our supporters, Codeweavers this year, and thank you LWN.net for donating a hosting for us. So, speakers, I did thank you at the beginning, but now there is a big ask for you. For the ones that didn't yet put your slides to the website, please don't forget doing so. It will be very useful for everyone that attended the conference. We would like to hear some feedback on how we did. It was very new experience for us, first virtual conference really. We didn't plan it this way initially, but year 2020 turned out to be special year for everyone. So please send your feedback directly to the board of X.Org Foundation. All this feedback will be reviewed and taken for future improvements, right? We tried to improve along the way as we were hosting the conference. I hope those improvements were visible, and in order to deliver even better experience in the next years, and we don't know whether next year XDC will be virtual or physical, we really will appreciate you providing the feedback for us. So, XDC 2020, year 2020. We started organizing this conference long time ago, and as said, it turned virtual just in the middle of this year. So here are some of the pictures on the main organizing team. Big thanks for Martin, who helped a lot in making XDC 2020 happen. Martin, you're great, you rock. Same goes to Arek for helping out with our streaming services. It was flawless experience this year. In my opinion, I hope others will share it as well. And in the middle, I also did put picture of, myself also working on this conference in slightly different form this year. But I think you guys did it, you rock, and I think we provided quite pleasant first time virtual conference to our audience. I'd like to say big thank you to everyone else that was involved, helped us on the way. So Samuel, you were huge support from the very beginning, just from the moment where we were filing to become a host for this conference. So thanks a lot for all your help during this time. Really appreciate it. Also, we would like to thank Guy Lunardi from Collabora for providing guidance, helping out with some setup for virtual conference, and you helped us a lot, and we also really appreciated that. I did put some names from folks from my teams and from our Intel site in Gdańsk, Poland. As I mentioned, we aimed to organize this event physically, so the entire machine was launched with help from Bożena and Marek from Gdańsk. We operated with University from Gdańsk. We were almost ready to set everything up physically when year 2020 changed our plans. And I would also like to say a big thank to my team at OSGC, which stands for Open Source Graphics Center at Intel. Without their help, we wouldn't be here as well. So big thank you to all of you. And last but not least is like big thank you for everyone that attended this event. We made it for you, for the community. We hope that everyone learned a lot and that you met new people, maybe not face to face, but hopefully in the future there will be more chances for us to actually meet in person and cooperate on future events and on future projects, community-driven ones. So once again, thanks a lot and see you next year. Thank you.